Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Calendly into your Wix website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you run your scheduling events on Calendly and you want these events to be scheduled on your Wix website. How do you actually go ahead and add Calendly to your Wix website? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Calendly. Next, find the scheduling event which you want to go ahead and add to your Wix website. Click on the three dots, then click on Add to Website. Now, you have three different ways to add Calendly to your Wix website. We're going to choose Inline Embed, then click on Continue. Now, on the right-hand side here, you have an embed code where you can place this code into your HTML so that the Calendly widget will actually appear. Copy this code or click on Copy Code and then insert it into your Wix HTML. And with it, the Calendly widget should appear. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add Calendly to your Wix website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.